Hey, you cross trainer geeks. 22 cross trainer had, I think it's got like 20 hours on it. I've already ripped all the plastics apart. Fork guards, I've ripped them off 3 times, patched them together with washers a few times, but I found my buddy's 2014 Ktm XCW. I was looking at his fork guards and they fit perfectly on here. Bolt panners line, no monkeying with anything, no shimming, no trimming, no nothing. These are like 1,000 times better than those crappy beta ones that come on here. So if you are like me and you throw your bike on the ground all the time and you go through fork guards very quickly, you might want to try KTM fork guards. They are way better produced. Anyway, helpful tip to you.